Okay. So I'm sharing my screen. So everyone are able to see my screen. I'm sharing now.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Fine. So today's, so is there any doubts with the interfaces, methods? So what is the interface?
Interface will have
Interface
only
is-
unimplemented methods.
Interface will have only unimplemented methods. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Some other also can tell you. What is interface?
Interface contains only unimplemented methods.
Very good. Very good. Sudha, it's clear for you as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So what is different between classes and interfaces?
Classes can
Classes can be implement multiple interfaces,
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
interface is that will
Farhana,
only,
continue. Yeah.
interface will have only an implemented methods, but
Okay.
class can implement multiple interfaces.
And classes will have implemented methods or unimplemented methods?
One second.
Yeah. Saujanya, classes will have implemented methods or unimplemented methods?
Classes will have implemented methods.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, today we are going to look at a concept called abstract class. Okay, what is that? Abstract class. Very good. So we all know normal method, static method. Yes or no?
Yeah.
We know implemented method, unimplemented method. So abstract method is nothing but its other name of unimplemented method. What? Abstract method means?
Another name of unimplemented.
So it's same. Okay. Abstract method or unimplemented method, it's same. So interface is 100% abstract methods. Yes or no? Interface will have 100% abstract methods. Very good. So now, how to create a class? Sudha, tell me how to create a class.
Go to file, new class.
See, already I have created project. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you want to create a package, then right click on package, click on package, new,
New
and then class.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now I'm going to create something like abstract class. Okay. Now it's same. Class and abstract class are same to create. Okay. So now I have created normal class, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
There is no difference. Okay. Just I place the name as abstract class. That's it. Now it's a normal class only. Okay. Now you all remember class will have abstract methods or not non-abstract methods.
Non-abstract. Non-abstract.
Very good. Very good. So how to create a method?
Public void.
Public
void.
void.
Outside of the main, sir.
Very good. Public
void method name.
Void method name. Okay. So I will give something like get data.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how we create a
method.
What is this?
Method,
This is
method,
called
method.
Implementation.
This is called
Normal.
Body of the method or implementation.
very good. So it is implemented method. Yes or no?
Yeah.
This is implemented method. Very good. I will comment here. I'm writing implemented method. Very good. Now I'm going to teach you how to. So if you see here, I'm writing a method without implementation. Is that possible?
No.
Why?
Because it is a class.
So
Which
in
kind-
class, we can't write unimplemented methods. Yes or
unimplemented.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Till now we saw that, we all know, we studied. Now I'm going to show you that in class also we can create unimplemented methods. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm going to show you?
In class also you are
How
going
to create
show the
unimplemented methods
method.
in class.
Okay, then that class is not called normal class. That class is called as abstract class.
Oh.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
So whenever there is at least one abstract method, then that class becomes abstract class. Clear? So this is a normal method, yes or no? This is unimplemented method. So I told unimplemented method also is called as
Interface.
unimplemented method also is called as abstract method. What?
Abstract.
Unimplemented method is also called as abstract method. Yes or no?
Mm.
So what is that? Unimplemented method is also called as?
Abstract.
So interface will have 100%?
Abstract.
Abstract methods.
Abstract method.
Exactly. Can a class have abstract method?
Yes.
Yes.
Then what is that class called?
Abstract.
Abstract class.
Abstract class. Very good, very good. See, whenever you hear some word called abstract method, then you have to think that, okay, it is a method without body, without implementation. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So till now we know class can have only normal methods, implemented methods. Now I wrote a unimplemented method. Now, if you see there is an error, which is obvious because class can't have unimplemented methods. Now, if I go here, okay, it is telling add body. This is expected, which we saw yesterday. Then there is one more fix that's telling change to abstract. See, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
When I click here, see what they are doing? They are just placing abstract in front of that.
Mhm.
You saw? Yes or no? So now this is not a normal method. This is a
Abstract method.
means unimplemented method. Yes or no? Again, but still there is a error
Okay.
because still this class is a normal class. You agree?
Yeah.
This is a normal class, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now if you place the cursor here, it is telling remove abstract because a normal class cannot have abstract or make it a abstract class. It is telling either you remove abstract from this method or you make this class as abstract class. You're getting my point?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Why I'm getting
Yes,
these two
clear.
errors?
Yes.
Because a normal class cannot have abstract methods. It is telling, hey, this is a normal class. You can't have abstract. Please remove abstract from the method it's telling. Or make this normal class as abstract class. So I want this as abstract class. Simple, I can click here. If you see here, the abstract word has been added in front of the class.
Mhm.
If I remove this, this becomes normal class. If I place this, this becomes.
Abstract.
So now what is difference between class and abstract class?
In normal.
Abstract class will have unimplemented methods also. along
1
with-
minute, 1 minute. Tell one by one. Sojina, you tell.
Abstract class will have unimplemented methods along with the implemented methods.
Very good. Normal class?
Normal class will have only implemented methods.
Very good. And also you can say that if there is at least one abstract method, then that class becomes abstract class. Yes or no?
Yes.
See, if there is no an abstract method, then this is not normal class. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we can tell if there is at least one abstract method, then that class becomes
Abstract.
yes or no? Sudha, you tell me the definition. What is difference between abstract class and normal class?
Your normal class has implemented methods.
Very good.
An abstract class has at least one unimplemented method, then it is abstract method.
Abstract class.
Yeah, abstract class.
Okay. So abstract class will have
At least
can
one.
have both. See, it can have only unimplemented methods also. Okay. Or it can have both unimplemented and implemented methods. Is that clear to everyone?
Okay.
Shravanti, tell.
Sir,
You tell what is
abstract class, it can have both unimplemented and implemented methods.
very
In
good.
normal class, we can have only implemented methods.
Very good. Very good. Super.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that clear to everyone, right? Sridevi, Farhana, Tazin. It's clear,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Very good. So now, yesterday we had a very good example of mobile phones where you were able to realize, yes or no? Why interface? What is the use of interface? Yeah.
Yes.
So now we will have one more example why we need abstract class. See, for example, you all know about traffic signals of traffic. Yes or no? We have signals, traffic lights, red, orange, green. So if you see, even if you go to India, it's the same rules. Even if you go to US, it's same rules. Even in Belgium, Canada, Dubai, wherever you are, your same rules, right? Red means stop, green means go, orange means wait. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. For example, if they are starting new country, okay, then also the rules will stay remain same. They will not change. Hey, green means stop, red means go. They will not change the rules. Will they change?
No.
No, because this is standard rule. This is defined by national authority. Yes or no? There will be some authority also for highways or for traffic. So they have decided already. Like red means only stop, green means go, orange means wait. This will not change. Okay. See, when Troy was giving rules for mobile phones, they are giving that these are all minimum functionality should be available. Okay. But here, if you see, they are telling that when you are putting a signal, you should have these 3 lights minimum. But these are the rules. They are defining the rules also. Yes or no? Along with the methods, they are giving the implementation also. Okay. So now what I will do, I will create a abstract class. Okay. So already we are having abstract class here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I will tell, for example, I will tell, so this there, assume I will rename this. I will rename this to some name. So I will tell National Highway Authority example. Okay. Okay. So the assume, okay.
Okay.
Now what they will do, they will set some guidelines for traffic. Yes or no? What is the guidelines?
Red stop, green go, orange wait.
Very good. So public void green light. This is one method. Okay. See, they are creating methods with implementation. Why means they are setting the rule. Only go. Yes or no? Because this is a standard rule. You can't change. So the national authority is giving the implementation also. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So whenever someone wants to install a new signal system, they have to follow these rules. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. So now only stop, I will tell. Then here I will tell wait. Very good. So these are the rules, right? Yes or no? Which they are giving implementation. These are the methods which the authority is giving implementation. So whoever use, for example, there is a new country, assume, okay, it is, for example, it is Belgium. Okay, when I take Belgium, now I want to put my signal system in Belgium. Then what Belgium has to do?
He has to follow the basic rules first.
We have to follow the basic rules. So yesterday, whenever we are inventing some new phone, we are following the basic rules of the department, Troy department. Yes or no? So what we were doing? We were implementing. Yes or no? Now here Belgium has to follow some rules of National Highway Authority because I want to set up the signal. Okay. Then I can implement that also. Yes or no?
Yeah.
See, Troy interface, Troy, whichever we created, it was a class or a interface.
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 Very good. But now whatever I created, National Highway Authority is a class or interface?
Class.
Abstract class.
It is a class. See, it's a normal class still.
Abstract class. Yes.
See, it is a normal class. There is no abstract method here. Yes or no? You agree?
Yes.
Still it's not an abstract class. I will remove this. Still it's not an abstract class. It's a normal class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, but if I use implements keyword, so this is the keyword used for interface or class.
Interface.
So even if I give National Highway Authority, I will not get that. No, it is giving me only it is giving only me Troy. Yes or no? See here, you can see only it's giving me Troy, but I want what I want.
National authority.
So even if I give this, go to here, and if I place this, it is throwing error. See why?
Because it's not an interface.
It is not interface.
Exactly, it is not an interface. This is a class. Okay, so what is the error message it's telling? The type National Highway Authority cannot be interface of Belgium. Okay, so what we can do? We can't use implements because implements is used only for
Interfaces.
then what we have to use? Then we have to use extends. What?
Extends.
So extends is the keyword to extend one class and the other class. Okay, is that clear? What is the keyword?
Extend.
Extends is the keyword to extend one class to other class. Okay, see, that class can be abstract class or normal class, no problem. Okay, but to extend between different classes, we have to use the keyword.
Extend.
Exactly. So they may ask in interview, what is the keyword to use other class from one class? Then you have to tell it's extends. Okay. So what is the keyword to use interface? Implements. They may ask what is the difference between implements and extends. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So now what I am telling, hey, Belgium, extend to this National Highway Authority. Okay. Now, when Belgium is extending, there is no error message. If you all remember, whenever someone is implementing interface, it used to get an error asking to add implementation. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You all remember when we click on that, all the methods, unimplemented methods used to show. Yeah, but here there is no error only. Why? Why there is no error? Because already implementation is done in the class National Highway Authority. Okay, so now what you can do? You can just use that. What you can do?
We can just use.
So
Okay.
now I am going to tell you how to use what?
How to use those methods.
How to use those methods. Very good. See, now Belgium is extending to National Highway Authority. Okay. And here you have to just think that this National Highway Authority is also called as a super class. What?
Superclass.
because this is class which we are extending to this class. Okay, so I will tell that again. Okay, so as of now, you just remember that keyword is extends. Okay,
Okay.
and then to use this, so to use a method, what we have to do to call a method?
Creating an object.
Object.
We have to create an object. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Farhana,
Yeah, inside
Sudha,
the main
yeah?
we have to.
Yes, yes.
We have to create an object. Okay, Sudha, tell me how to create an object.
Public void.
That is a method which you are telling.
Oh,
See, there is difference between method and object. Yes or no?
yeah.
So what is the object?
You should write the name.
Name of the object. Okay. Okay, then
Dot new
no.
space new and again the name.
What name?
I don't remember exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Farhana,
Class
can you tell how to create a?
Yeah. Class name.
Okay. So here, if you see there are
And,
two classes.
object.
Yes or no? So
Yeah.
there are two classes. This is also a class. This is also class. Okay. So
Yes.
we have to take this class. Okay.
Yeah. Belgium
Mhm,
object name
mhm,
is equal to new space
mhm.
method Belgium
Class name. Okay.
open. Yeah.
So now this
Open
is
close braces
this is how we create
an object.
object. So that clear?
Yeah.
Simple. Class name. We use the class name in front and back using
Yes.
object is equal to. Okay. This is object name. Is it clear? Should not forget next tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So how will you create an object, Sudha?
Your class name object equal to new again class name.
Exactly. Okay. You remember. Now we have created an object for which class?
Belgium.
Very good. Does Belgium has any method?
No.
We don't have method. Okay. But
Yeah.
it is extending to another
National-
class which has some methods. See, Belgium is not having any methods, but it is extending to
Another class.
another method. Yeah, very good. So now if I give obj dot, I'm getting
Yeah.
methods or not?
Yeah.
From where it is getting the methods?
From National Authority class.
Why I'm getting?
Because it
Have
is
extended
extending
to
the class.
So by this, what you understand, whenever some class is extending to other class, then we can use the methods of that class. Yes or no? See,
Okay.
now I am having a method here in demo. I am having a method called get data. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So now if I go here and I give obj dot,
Mhm.
it is giving error. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it doesn't extend that class.
So because Belgium is not extending to this class, Belgium is extending only to this class. So we can use only methods from this class. Now, if this error I want to use get data, then how can I use get data in Belgium class?
We need to
The extend-
Belgium extends to that class. We need to write another.
Okay, but we can extend to only one class. If it is interface, then we can extend implements multiple interface. But
Okay.
here they are giving restrictions like we can't extend to multiple classes. See, it is telling, hey, Anis, no, you can't extend. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
So a class can extend how many
Mhm.
classes?
Only one class.
Very good. In that case, I can't extend, but how I can use this?
By creating another object.
Is that correct? Saujana, is that correct?
No,
Yeah.
by creating another method, get it.
No, we can create another object for that class, and by using that object, we can call that methods, right?
Shravanti is telling, if you want to use get data, create an object where the get data is there. Create an
Yeah.
object of that class where the get data is there and then use. Okay, so how many support this and how many will not support this statement?
I will, because we can do that to access the method.
So you support Sravanti?
Yes.
Okay. Sridevi?
Yes.
Okay, Farhana?
I don't understand actually.
See what I have done here.
We have
I
taken
am calling
yeah.
get data method, yes or no? But it is giving an error. Why it is giving an error? Because get data is not available in National Highway Authority. Okay, get data is not available, so it is giving error. Very good. But I want to use in Belgium class, I want to use get data. How to use? This is available in demo method class. Demo method class has get data method. I want to use that in Belgium, but I can't extend that to demo method because already I'm extending to National Highway Authority. I can extend to only one class at a time. Then how I can use get data? What Shravanti is telling,
We
you
can
create a
another
new object for demo method class and then you use, she is telling. Is that correct?
Yes, we can use like that.
We will try. So what I can do, I can create an, for example, I'm giving different name, obj1 is equal to new. Yes or no? See, there is no error. But here I can't use obj, but I have to use
Another.
obj1 because this is the object which belongs to this class. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Fine. Fine. So now we all know that Belgium is extending to National Highway Authority class and I'm using the methods which are available inside that. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. Now assume this Belgium is also having a class, having a method. Okay. For example, public void my country, some method it is having. Okay. Now I want to use this method. How to use? Because already I created an object obj dot
My country.
yes or no?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Very good. So now, so we all know one class can extend to another class and this class can use the class which is extending. Okay, so this is the class which is extending. Okay. Okay. Now using this, by creating an object of this class, we can use the methods of this class also. Yes or no? Because we are extending. Okay. Very good. Now I'm going to this National Highway Authority. Okay. Now, till now you saw only implemented methods. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because National Highway Authority is telling, hey, if it is green light, you have to go. If it is red light, you have to stop. If it is orange light, you have to wait. Are they also telling how long to stop? How long to wait? Are they telling?
No.
No.
Who is going to decide? See, if you take
It is
a
not
signal,
to,
if you take a signal,
no, it's not to be implemented like from their guidelines. So it depends on the traffic.
yes or no? For example, if you take something in Hyderabad, in one Secunderabad signal, there might be for a long time red light. Okay, in Khairatabad, it might be very long time. In Amirpet, it might be less time. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Even if you take in Belgium, okay, in Miser Circle, the red light may be more. In near central, it might be less. Yes or no? So based on the traffic, they will decide. Who will decide?
That country.
The person, the place which is implementing that. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But
Yes.
but they have to implement. Who is telling that you have to implement? National Highway Authority is telling that you have to implement weight, but they are not telling how much time. It depends on the place where they are implementing. Yes or no? You all agree?
Yeah.
So National Highway Authority is telling that whenever there is a red light, you have to wait, but they are not telling how much wait. Yes or no? So in that case, National Highway Authority will create an implemented method or unimplemented method.
Unimplemented.
Unimplemented.
Means they are not telling any logic, like how much time they have to wait. They're just telling you have to wait. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So how much time it has to wait will be implemented by the country which is going to have the signal system. Is that clear?
Yes.
So how to create an unimplemented method? Simple. Public void red light wait time. I'm just creating this method. Okay. In the same way, I will create. This is a method, right? This is a what is the name of this method?
Unimplemented method.
Unimplemented method.
Abstract.
Yeah, an implemented method or abstract method. Okay.
Mhm.
So you should remember these names. Okay.
Okay.
So now this is a class National Highway Authority which has 3 implemented methods and 3 unimplemented methods, means abstract methods. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because a class cannot have abstract methods, it is giving error. Then what we have to do?
We have to place the abstract key.
So we have to make these methods, normal methods, as abstract methods. How to make? Simple. We no need to do anything. Java will do. Okay. You go place the cursor on the under red line. It will give either you make this method as implemented method or you add a abstract it is telling. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because I know that if I add implementation, then I have to give how much time also it has to wait. But I don't want how much time. So I will give abstract method. See, is that clear?
Yeah.
So now this is a class which has both implemented methods and unimplemented methods, means both normal methods and abstract methods. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But still there is error. Why there is error? Because
The
still
class
this is a
is-
normal class. We have to make this class as an abstract class. How to make? No need, we don't need to worry. We'll go here and then click on make as abstract. Yes or no?
Okay.
See, automatically now my class become abstract class. Till now it was normal class. Because I'm having abstract methods, then this class will become abstract class. So what is definition? Whenever there is at least one abstract method, then the normal class becomes.
Abstract class.
You agree or not? Now, till now, there is no error in Belgium when we are extending to National Highway Authority. But now suddenly error message come. See, yes or no? Why the error message come?
That class become abstract class.
Tell me,
That we made as abstract class.
which we made?
The Belgium.
No, Belgium is normal class.
They have
Government
to
authority.
implement the
No, national authority become
methods
abstract.
in the class.
So National Authority was
Become
normal class. Now it became abstract class.
abstract
Okay.
class.
So whenever there are some unimplemented methods, who is going to implement that?
Class.
Yeah.
See,
It
National Highway
extends.
Authority was not having unimplemented methods, means abstract methods till now. Now we added abstract methods. So Belgium is giving error. Why? Means this has to add that unimplemented methods. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because Belgium has to implement that. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Farhana, Rajini, Sridevi,
Yes. Yes.
is it clear? Why there is error? Because now National Highway Authority is having, along with implemented methods, unimplemented methods also. Whenever there are unimplemented methods, whoever is going to use, they have to implement that. Yes or no?
Mhm.
So now I can go here and click on add unimplemented method. See, these are the unimplemented methods. So now I will tell in Belgium, I want, for example, wait for 45 seconds. Okay. For green, I will tell go for 30 seconds. Then here I will tell wait for 15 seconds or 10 seconds. Yes or no? So these are the rules, right? You agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So for example, now one more. Now India has started implementing the signaling system. Okay. So India is a class. Okay. Now what India has to do?
India have to implement national authority rules.
Exactly. They have to, what they have to do? What India has to do?
Extends the national.
Extends national authority.
Not implement, it's extend. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Implement is only for interface. Now India has to extend to National Highway Authority. Okay. Then why it is throwing error message for India?
National authority is abstract class, right?
Okay. Then
We have to specify those methods
we have to.
by we have to implement those abstract classes, right?
Unimplemented methods, right? Abstract methods. So correct. So we go here and try to add unimplemented methods. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in Belgium, red light wait system was 45 seconds. Okay, but here I want only 20 seconds. I can do my implementation on implementation. Yes or no?
Mhm.
You agree? Green I want for 60 seconds. I want for 5 seconds. And then here I can call that methods. So here how to call? I have to create an object of
Class.
class. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Saujanya, is that clear?
Yes, Anish.
Sridevi, Rajni, is that clear?
Yes, Anish.
Fine. Sudha, clear?
Actually, national authority has both implemented and implemented, right?
True.
So when you extend, this object can also be copied here.
Which object?
I mean, like what we wrote: object green light, object red light. This object
This is not an
methods.
object. Okay.
Yeah,
These are the
method.
methods. Okay. These
Mm.
methods are available inside this. Because we are extending, we can use that methods. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And also we are implementing this, but actually these methods belongs to this National Highway Authority only, but we are implementing. Yes or no? So we can also use that. Green light time, red light time. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Same way, even for example, if I go to Belgium, okay, I'm having here also the same. Okay, if I run here, I will get accordingly. Yes or no? I will get the output accordingly. See, I will get these 3 output from National Highway Authority and these 3 output from this implementation. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And if I go and run for India, I will be getting this output, different output based on the implementation. See, is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Sudha, is that clear?
Yeah.
No confusion, right?
Yeah.
So now you tell me what is different between class and abstract class. Sudha, you tell me what is different between class and abstract class.
Your classes have implemented method,
Very good.
and abstract class has at least one unimplemented method with implemented methods.
Exactly. So abstract class will have both implemented and unimplemented methods. So whenever there is at least one abstract method, then that class becomes
Abstract class.
very good. Very good. Okay. So how can you use that abstract class from another class?
Extends.
The extends.
Exactly. Extends is the keyword. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Very good. So no doubts in abstract class. Yeah.
Yes.
Very good. So now we are going to look into another concept. Okay. That is called inheritance. What is that?
Inheritance.
Inheritance.
Inheritance. First of all, you tell me what is inherit means.
Something inheriting from the previous things or the previous generations, kind of.
Okay. See, you inherit the property of your parents. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Why? Because they are your parents. Can you inherit property of my parents?
No.
No. Because you can inherit from your parents. That means inherit means getting something from
Parents.
previous generation.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yeah.
We all know this. Okay. So now here you are having parent and child concept comes. Whenever I talk inheritance means parent and child comes into concept. Okay. See here also same. National Highway Authority is parent. India is child. So child is extending to parent. Okay. So only we are able to use its properties, its methods. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
The same way, I will give an example with parent and child class. So now I'm going to create a normal class as a name parent class. Okay. Listen very carefully. Okay. This is also very, very important. See, whatever we are discussing, every point is a very important points and interview question points. Okay. So I'm creating two classes. One is parent class, one is child class. Okay. So I will just place some methods in parent class. For example, parent class. So I'm creating some methods. Okay. Public void. For example, I'm create my father has bike. Okay. My father has job. For example, I will tell some bike. Hero bike. Okay. He's having hero bike. He is having job. Sorry. When he is having job, then he has money also. Yes or no? When he has job, will he has free time? No. Okay. Okay, very good. So these are all the methods. Methods are also called as properties. What? Properties. Okay. So now these are all the methods of parent. Yes or no? Every parent will have all these methods. You agree? So now,
Yes.
if I want to use this, what I have to do? I have to create an object of this parent of this class. So I will obj is equal to new. Okay, then using obj dot, I can call by obj dot job,
Money.
obj dot money, obj dot free
Free
time.
time.
Okay, so now if I run this, I will get output. We all know till now we saw all this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this parent has.
Child.
See, a parent can have only one child or multiple childs.
Multiple.
So a parent can have multiple childs. So now, and a child can have one parent or multiple parents.
One parent.
A child can have only.
One parent.
One parent.
Okay, very good. So now I'm having child. I will rename as child 1. You should remember, huh?
Yeah.
A parent can have multiple children, okay? But children will have only one parent, which we all know. So now here we are having child 1, okay?
Mhm.
Now this child 1 belongs to which parent? How we will know? Because now there is no relationship, yes or no?
Yeah.
Here we have not mentioned, we are just, okay, declaring a child. How we can tell that this child belongs to which parent? How can we tell? So here what I will do, here also I will rename to parent 1. This is parent 1 class, okay? I will create one more class as parent 2, we will see. See, I'm not doing anything, I'm just creating classes, okay? Which we are creating from day 1. And then child 2 class I'm creating. So now I'm having 2 parent classes and 2 child classes. How many I'm having?
2 parent and 2
Parent.
child.
Parent and 2 child.
Okay. So now, for example, if there are 2 children, okay, how we will know who belongs to which parent? We don't know, right? Yes or no? Then what? The child has to say, hey, he's my parent. Then only we will come to know. You agree? So now, how to tell? So assume child 1 class belongs to parent 1 class, okay?
Mhm.
Then I have to use a keyword called extends. What?
Extends.
Extend to parent 1 class. So it is telling child 1 class extends to parent 1 means he can extend to this means he can use his properties. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
So even in Belgium and National Highway Authority, we saw when Belgium is extending to National Highway Authority, Belgium can use these properties. Yes or no?
Okay.
See, these properties are
Yes.
not available in Belgium. Because they are extending, they can use that. Yes or no?
Yeah.
See, these are unimplemented methods which you are implementing. Because these are you are implementing, you are using. That is fine. But here you don't have this. But still, how come you are using? Because you are extending to this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So whenever someone is extending to other class, we can use the properties of other class. Okay.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah.
Now, my father is there. I am child of my father. Can I enjoy the property of my father or not?
Yes.
So now, if I want to enjoy the methods of my parent, what I have to do?
You have to create object.
Very good. So here, if you see, which is parent and which is child?
The
Child.
class is child and we're extracting from the parent class.
So this is a
Child.
this is a child class. This is a parent class. Okay.
Parent.
So you remember
Mhm.
child class is also called as subclass. What?
Subclass.
Parent class is also called as superclass. What? So whenever you hear a word subclass means
Mhm.
that is a child. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you hear a word superclass, then it is a parent. Okay. See, a superclass can have multiple subclasses because superclass is a parent. Parent can have 1 kid, 2 kid, or 3 kids. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But a subclass can have only
One parent.
one
One
parent.
parent.
So a child class can extend to only one parent. He can't extend to other parent.
Mhm.
No, he can't extend. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you all remember child class is a subclass, parent class is a superclass. Clear?
Yeah.
Very good. So a child class will extend its supports to parent class. See, this is a parent. Okay. This can also be a child of another parent. You agree or not?
Yes.
Yes.
now I will create one more class, grandparent. Okay. So this is a grandparent. So now this is a class. For example, I'm writing a method for this grandparent, like public void own house. I'm just giving a name. Okay. So this is grandparent. Okay. Who is having one method. Now this is a
Parent.
parent. Now this parent is having one child. Yes or no? Because already we are extending.
Yes.
Now this can extend to
Grandfather.
grandparent. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But child one can't extend directly because already it is extended to parent.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah.
So you are able to find the relation, right?
Yeah.
Subclass can extend to superclass. That superclass can also be a subclass of other class.
Yes.
So if you see, this child one is a subclass of parent class. And this parent class is subclass of grandparent class. Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yes.
But if you see at a time, a parent can have multiple child, but a child can have only one parent. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if I want to use my parent properties, okay, then what I have to do? I have to maintain relationship, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I fight with my parent and come outside of the house, can I use his bike? Can I use his
No.
money if I come out of the house? No. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then what we have to do? If we want to use, then we have to create an object. So we'll
Child
create
class.
an object. Obj is equal to new obj. Yes or no? So using this object, I can call my properties bike. I can use my father bike.
Mhm.
Dot. I can use the money which is having obj dot. Okay.
Mhm.
Because my father got a own house from my grandfather, will I also be getting that or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, yes or no?
Yeah.
So you are able to relate now.
Yes.
See, as a child, I can get all the properties of my parent. And now this child is grandchild of this class. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Even I can get the properties of that child because those properties are getting by. For example, my father is not maintaining relationship with his father. Okay, he's removing the relationship. Okay, then he can't use the own house. Yes or no?
Yeah.
When he is not using one house, then I also can't use this. See, it is throwing error. Why? Because there is no relationship between this parent and that grandchild. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now again assume if they are maintaining relationship, then then again I can start using. You agree?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Now, why there is error? I will go to parent. There is an error. Consistency. Okay. Child. I have not saved here. Okay. Whenever we are doing some changes, we have to save. Okay.
Okay.
So now when I run, you can see this result. Yes or no? Even though this properties does not belong to this child, this belongs to parent and grandparent, but still child can enjoy that. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. So now assume this child is always using his father bike. He's not giving bike to his father. Then what father will do? What father will do?
Another bike. He'll buy another bike for the child.
Yes or no?
Mhm.
Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Shravanti, no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So now father bought one more bike because father is not getting bike to go to office. Okay.
Mhm.
So child also got a bike. So now see, father is having hero bike. Then child will get a lower than hero bike or greater than hero bike.
Greater.
Better.
Okay. For example, we will give BMW. Okay. So now, so child is having what bike?
Hero.
Child is having what bike?
BMW.
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 Father is having what bike?
Hero.
Hero.
Now child will drive which bike?
Both.
BMW.
He can drive both.
So one leg on one bike, other leg on other bike.
He can use by
Huh?
creating. Yeah, he can use his father's bike also, right?
At a time,
At a time is single.
at a time.
Single. He can use only one bike.
So when he is having his bike, why he will use his father bike? Yes or no?
Okay.
If he is using his father bike, even though he is having BMW, if he is using only hero bike, then what father will do? He will sell that BMW. Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
So now you have to observe that whenever there is same method in child and parent. See, parent also having bike. Yes or no?
Mhm.
But child also having bike. So the method names are same. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
when there was no method named this, child was using parent method, hero bike.
Mhm.
But now child has his own method with the same name. Then child will use,
Yes.
see, what he is using.
B.
BMW.
Now assume he gave
Latest.
he gave his bike to service. Now which bike he will use?
His father.
Father's bike.
See, no, it came back from service. Then
Actually, I have a question.
BMW.
mhm.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I mean, he has some properties like in the parent class, but he want to give only some to the child and some he don't want to give.
Okay,
Then how?
that is not possible.
Okay.
Okay, when you are a child, then the child will go out of the home.
No. I was asking
No, it's
like,
not possible. Okay.
okay, if you create something so that like we can give
No.
only
We
specific-
we can't restrict like that.
Okay.
We can't restrict. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever a child is extending to the parent, child is capable to get all the properties of the parent. Okay. He's eligible. Okay. Parent cannot restrict. Okay.
If there
Clear?
are two childs and the property like one bike,
Okay.
so
So
both
now
childs
there is
can
second child. Okay. And this child, we don't know who is parent of this child. If we want to know who is parent, what we have to do?
Extend.
Super. We have to extend to which parent he belongs. Okay. For example, there are two parents. This child also belongs to parent one. Okay. Now parent one has how many child?
Two.
Two. Now this child also can enjoy the property of parent. Yes or no?
Yeah.
How he will enjoy?
By
How will he enjoy?
Creating an
inherit.
Hey, tell how will enjoy?
creating an object.
That's it. Yes or no? Even if it's wrong, don't afraid. Tell. Okay. J dot bike. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Obj dot money. Obj dot. What is next?
Job.
Own house.
sentence.
Yeah, job also. Yeah. See. So now child one also can enjoy the property of his father. Child two Because see here, child 1 is enjoying the bike of his father because there is no own bike for child 2. Yes or no? But child 1 has his own bike. Then why he will use his father's? He will use his own bike. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So now you have to think one more point. Whenever there is a same method in child and parent, then the priority is given to child property. Okay? You are getting my point?
Yeah.
Whenever there is a same name. Okay. For example, if there is different name, for example, I'm giving bike 1, then he will use his father bike only. Because whenever there is same name, okay? Whenever there is same name, then the priority is given to
Correct.
no, child class. Whenever
Child.
there is same name. So this concept is called as overloading. What?
Overload.
Sorry, overriding. Okay.
Over.
Overriding.
Right.
Overriding means whenever parent class and child class
Having the
has
same name.
exactly has same method name, then the importance is given to child class. Okay, that is called
Writing.
overriding. Okay, this parent child concept is called inheritance. What?
Inheritance.
So what is inheritance? If you look into the definition, what is inheritance? Inheritance means one class can extend to another class. Yes or no? You all agree?
Yes.
What is inheritance?
Extends to another place.
One class can extend to another class. That is concept called inheritance. So that the code which is available in parent class can be reused in the child class. Yes or no?
Yes.
So which is super class?
Parent class.
Parent class.
Very good. Which is subclass?
Child.
Very good. Can a subclass have multiple superclass?
No.
Yes.
No.
Huh? Who told
No.
us? Somebody told us. Can a subclass have multiple superclass?
Yes.
No. Can a superclass have multiple subclass?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So a subclass can have only one superclass at a time. Okay. Very good. So now, how will you enjoy the property? By creating an object. Okay. You don't need to create an object of your parent. You need to create your object of your own. Okay. Clear? Because you are extending. So you can enjoy. Now, inheritance is clear. Inheritance is clear to everyone. Yes or no? So what is the keyword you use?
Extends.
Extend.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Only one doubt. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, if suppose parent have multiple methods,
Okay.
can
So
we
I am
can we
having
use
this
some?
parent is having multiple methods. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we use some methods in child class 1 and some methods
Yeah.
in child class 2? Can we divide that one?
Yeah. Assume my father is telling, hey, class 1, I am child 1, I am giving you bike, so I will not give you money, pocket money. Okay.
Okay.
So I will remove money from here. Now I'm not giving anything to my son because I'm not giving money bike. I'm giving money to my son. Yes or no? See, now mother came. Hey, how you give money only to child 2? Give money to child 1 also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then I can give money to child 1 also. No problem. See, you can give whatever you want because they are your child. They are the subclasses of the parent class. Is it clear? Your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is any other doubts? So what is inheritance?
Extending.
One class is extended to another class.
So which class becomes subclass and which class becomes parent class, superclass?
Child class is subclass.
Very good.
Parent class is superclass.
Very good. Can a superclass have multiple subclass?
Yeah.
Can a subclass have multiple superclass?
No.
Why?
To only have one class.
Class is
Because
a
we can
child.
extend to
only one.
exactly. We can extend to only one parent class. Okay, very good. Now, interface is clear. Inheritance is clear. Abstract class is clear. Now we are discussing about overriding. What?
Override.
Overriding. So
Sir,
what
I
is?
have one more doubt.
Mhm.
Can we extend without parent class to grandparent? From child to grandparent
Yeah, you can extend. No problem. For example, I'm having
without parent
child,
class.
child 3. Yeah, I will show you that also. So I'm creating child 3. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Now extend. See, you know that it is a grandparent, but for this child, it is a parent. You getting my point? You are thinking it is grandparent because of the name. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
But this child will think he is only my parent.
So then he can extend from the child also, right?
Hmm?
Then the child 3 class can also extend from child 1 and child 2 also, right?
Yeah.
At that
See, for
time,
example, now if I create an object, we will look all the concepts. Huh? 1 minute. So now I'm getting obj is equal to new. See, because child 3 will be thinking grandparent is my parent only. Because by name you are telling it's grandparent, but ideally this is acting as superclass of this subclass. Yes or no?
So
Yeah.
any class can extend to any class. So
Exactly,
names can
exactly,
be
exactly.
anything.
Exactly. So my son can, this child can enjoy own house, but he can't enjoy bike because he's not having bike. This parent is not having bike, so he can't enjoy bike. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You agree? But he can enjoy own house. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now this is a child subclass. Yes or no?
Mm.
Now my friend came. Okay. For example, I'm having money. Okay, bike. My friend came. Can because he is my friend, I will give my bike to him or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because I'm having money, will I give to my friend or not? But from where I'm getting the money and bike?
Parent 1.
Parent.
I'm getting from my parent. When I'm getting from my parent, now I'm having.
Okay.
I'm creating a friend class. How he becomes friend of me? Whenever he extends. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If he is not extending, means he's not maintaining that friendship with me, will I give money?
No.
Okay. So now he can create, he has to maintain friendship with me is equal to new. Now see, yes or no? Okay. Now, for example, I am not, for example, assume I'm not having own house. Okay. Now I can't, my friend can't enjoy the own house.
Yes.
Sorry, this is friend. Obj dot. Because already, okay, because already is extending. Fine, I can create one more method. But this is already extending. Fine. Is that clear now, everyone?
Yeah.
Any doubts?
Hmm.
Rajni,
Yes,
Saujanya,
sir. Clear, sir.
Saujanya,
No.
Shravanti,
No, sir.
Sudha.
So actually, the child, for example, if the child 1, there's another class where the child class 1 was extended to grandparent. Okay. So now his friend can extend all his parent and grandparents of child 1.
Yeah, yes, because child 1 is extended to his parent. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And that parent is extended to his grandparent. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So grandparent properties comes to the parent. Parent properties comes to the grandchild. So grandchild can enjoy grandparent properties.
So the child can also.
Child, obviously
Right.
child can enjoy. See, you will get the property of your grandparents, right? You will get the property or not?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yeah, in the same way, because we are your friends, we also can enjoy your property.
Okay.
Yes or no? So now friend class, okay, is friend of that. So I can use obj dot own house. See? Yes or no? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now if you see here, so if you remember, okay, this is very important concept. Overriding. What is this?
Overriding.
What is overriding? Whenever a subclass and superclass, whenever a subclass and superclass have the same name of a method, what? Have a
Same
Name
method
of
name.
method.
same method name, then which will take priority?
Subclass.
Subclass
Exactly.
subclass.
When a method of subclass has the same name and same as a superclass, then the method in the subclass is said to be overridden by the method in the superclass. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So this is also called as runtime polymorphism. Okay, runtime polymorphism. Okay, so there is a concept called polymorphism where we will be getting a concept overriding and overloading. So I will explain you in detail later also. Okay, but I just got opportunity, so I just told you this. Okay, so you have to remember what is overriding. Whenever there is a same method in
Names
subclass
and superclass.
and parent class, then
Use the
the subclass is given priority. Okay, it will override. So it is called overriding. Okay, clear? See, whenever I'm telling method, this method also can have parameters. Yes or no? You agree?
yeah.
You know what is parameters in login? When we are creating a login method, we give username and password inside a method. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You agree? You are remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what we are doing, we are giving the username and password we are passing inside the method. So those are called parameters. Okay. So I will just give 2 minutes. Huh? I'm having string like bike name, and I'm having string bike model. So how many parameters I'm passing here?
Two.
I'm
Two
passing two
parameters.
parameters. Very good. Okay, I'm passing two parameters. Okay. Now, for example, this is child in father. Where is parent one? Here he's having bike, but I'm having only one parameter. Assume I'm having only like a bike name. Okay. Bike name. I'm having only bike name one, but here I'm having
Two parameters.
two parameters. Then because here I have to pass either one or two. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because when I'm calling the bike, I have to tell which bike I'm calling.
Okay.
Whether I'm calling father bike or parent bike. If I'm giving only one name, for example, if I'm giving BMW, okay, then which one will be called?
Parents.
Parent.
Parent.
Because I'm giving that. Because I'm giving only one, I'm passing only one. See, it is giving hero. Now, if I pass two, something, then now which one will call?
Child.
Because I'm passing two
Yeah.
values here. See, yes or no? So overriding comes into picture. Not only the same name, but the parameters also should be the same. Okay, so we'll look into this in detail later. Don't worry. Okay, is that clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will stop the session. Okay, now what we are going to do, I'm going to push the code. Okay, give me 1 minute. I will push the code. How to push the code? I have to go to right click on the project, go to properties, and then open the folder, and then open the command prompt. Okay, first I will just do git status to know how many files. Okay, I will do git add dot means all the files, add all the files. Okay, after adding, I will check whether all the files has been added or not.
Status.
Okay, everything is added. If something you see red color, again you add git add dot. Okay, now I have to create a bundle. Before pushing, I have to create a package like that. Okay, create a pack. So for that commit, for example, this is a comment, whatever I can give, I'm just giving abstract class and inheritance. Okay, I'm giving comment. So I'm committing means I'm creating a bundle like package. Okay, now what I'm doing after creating a package, I'll push my package. How to push? Git push origin master. So now what you can do, you can go to your folder India morning batch and open command prompt and run the command git pull origin master. So the code will get into your system. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Very good. So everyone are trying to do the git pull or not?
Yes.
Yes,
yes,
yes.
yes.
Yes,
Sudha,
sir.
did you tried?
Yeah, I tried.
Very good, super. Okay, so if you
Yeah,
have
okay.
any,
Yeah, sorry, I'll leave.
yeah, no, we are going to stop the class. You can leave.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so if you have any doubts, okay, you can check with me or you can post the message in the group. So if somebody knows also, he will answer to you. Okay, but you all are practicing or not?
Yes, sir.
See, when you are listening the concepts, it will be very clear and very easy. If you practice on the same day, you will get very good knowledge. If you practice after 3 days, you will get little knowledge. If you practice after 1 week, you will forget. Okay, so you try to practice the same day. If you practice on the same day, it may take 30 minutes. If you practice after 3 days, it may take 1 hour. If you practice after 2-3 weeks, it will take more time. Okay, clear? Yeah. Okay, then fine. Yeah, we'll stop the session. I will share the recording. So now when you're practicing today's session, you don't practice only today's session. You practice also yesterday's and day before yesterday's also.
Yeah.
So when you're practicing like that, what happens after 10 or 20 days, you would have practiced already 10 times the previous classes. So you'll be getting more knowledge. Okay. When you're practicing more, you'll be getting more doubts. You have to get more doubts. When you're practicing, don't practice what I told. You practice in your own style, different ways. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then bye. Have a nice day. Nice weekend. We'll meet again on Monday morning.